In this video, I'll guide you through how to complete the Pillar of Community task, use the Store Discovery queue in Steam. This is one of the easiest tasks required for earning progress toward your Pillar of Community badge, and it only takes a few minutes to finish. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can complete it without any confusion. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button and enter your account name and password. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to access your Steam account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage, where you can access all of Steam's features. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Steam window and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This page contains your profile information, achievements, badges, and other community-related features. Once your profile loads, locate the Badges section and click on it. Here you'll find all of the badges you've earned, along with badges that are still in progress. Scroll through the list until you find the Pillar of Community badge. This badge includes several small tasks designed to help you become familiar with Steam's community features. And today, we're focusing on the Store Discovery queue requirement. After locating the badge, head over to the Store tab at the top of the Steam client. The store is where you'll find game recommendations, featured titles, sales, and personalized content. Within the store, locate the Discovery queue option and click on it to continue. When the Discovery queue page opens, you'll see an option inviting you to begin exploring your queue. Click it to start viewing your personalized game recommendations. Steam will display one recommended game at a time based on your interests and activity. Continue moving through the queue by clicking Next in Queue for each recommendation. You don't need to purchase or wishlist any of the games. Simply continue viewing each recommendation until you've reached the end of the queue. Once you've gone through every suggested game, click Finish Queue to complete the process. Now return to your profile by clicking your profile name again and selecting View My Profile. Open the Badges section once more and check your Pillar of Community badge. You should now see that the Use the Store Discovery queue task has been marked as completed, bringing you one step closer to earning or upgrading the badge. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the Steam Discovery queue task quickly and easily. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.